What's up, YouTube? I'm Taylor and this is Small Feet Big Heat. Today I'm going to be coming at you with a double unboxing. I got two boxes here. One is from StockX and one is from Foot Locker, I believe, or maybe it's Foot Action. No, I'm pretty sure it's Foot Locker. So yeah, this is my new channel, guys. My name is Taylor again, and this is Small Feet Big Heat. It's my first video, and what better than to come to you guys with an unboxing. So I'm not gonna do so much talking. Let's jump right into the first pair. I think I'm gonna start with the Foot Locker box, just to build that anticipation. I've actually had these sitting around for a couple of weeks just because I couldn't get time to actually set up the camera, set up the light. I got a brand new camera for this channel, so dedicated, gonna be bringing you guys content one video a week. So subscribe, and bam, as you can see, it is a Nike Air Force One, and I did get it from Foot Locker. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see that. No, you can't, but you can kind of already tell what it is because Nike threw socks in the packaging for all of these shoes. So if you didn't see it already, you got that little python detail there. I actually want to open these up because I'm interested to see if they just gave everyone like huge size socks, or if they actually paid attention to the sizes, and if you're a small size they give you 6 to 12, or bigger sizes 8 to 13. You know how socks run. Yeah, these actually do look like my size, so they didn't just throw huge generic socks into every box. These look like they're gonna fit actually, so that's good. That's a nice touch. Nike should do that more if you ask me. For the prices that we're starting to pay, you should definitely get a little sign extra. I'm sure you guys have seen the tissue paper on these boxes before, but I don't know if you could tell in the camera right now. It's a little light in that box, but there's actually this star texture type tissue paper in here, which is also nice. It's pretty cool. Like I said, for the price that we're starting to pay for these Nike shoes, they really need to pull out all the stops. But here's the main event, the main attraction, what you guys clicked on this video for, and that is the Air Force One Python. These are clean. These are clean. I wanted a pair of clean Air Force Ones for the summer. I'm gonna be doing a full depth review and on foot for these. This is just an unboxing, a real quick look at the shoes. So these are dope. But I did say that I would be unboxing two shoes. It's a double unboxing, so let's jump right into the second one. And as I mentioned earlier, I did pick these up from StockX. These I've actually only had sitting around for a week. I can tell you guys exactly once I get the box open. So I believe I've only had these sitting around for a week, and this, in my opinion, is probably the most underrated, slept on shoe of 2019. And I say that because they released a couple days after the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1, and I think people were just so focused on the L's that they took. Don't worry guys, I took an L too, on the L's that they took for the Air Jordan 1, that they just completely forgot about these, slept on these. I don't know, but it is the Cactus plant Flea Market Air Vapormax. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys and say I'm a huge fan of the Air Vapormax, and I'm not gonna sit here and jack that at all, because this is actually the only pair of Vapormax that I own. But let's look at this, guys. Look, I'm opening it already without you. So we got the blacked out Nike box, and on this side it says Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Sunshine, which is kind of funny since the shoe is mostly dark, but you guys will see that. Ooh, all right. So already, okay, before we get into that, we got the StockX little goodies in here. You got your receipt, which I'm not gonna show fully because it has my order number and address, but I will show you guys the price. So I'll just let that focus a little bit. So that is what I paid for the cactus plant flea market. And for some reason, these were actually going up and up and up in price. And then during that week, the prices just plummeted. They kept getting lower and lower and lower. And I personally believe that this $371 is as low as they're gonna go. We'll see in the future. But for me, it was a steal, and I really wanted these. So, off rip, this gold tissue paper, nice touch. With the seeing double smiley face. I do really like Cactus Plant Flea Market stuff. It's just that for me, I'm very slim, as you can see. And their stuff is already oversized. So for me to get even a men's small from them, it's gonna be really huge. But I do really like their stuff. I just wish that you guys would make it in smaller sizes. So, which is actually funny because their clothing is huge, but these are actually women's size sneakers. So what's up with that, Cactus Plant Flea Market? I appreciate the love to the small sizes, definitely, but can we also get some clothing to match? So yeah, these look dope. Like, these have such an industrial feel to them, and I could see that like in the pictures and stuff, but actually getting them in hand, like this material here, this mesh, it's rough, but not a bad rough. It's just like, it's different. And if you have Nike Reacts, like these joints, if you have something like this, then you already know that feeling that I'm talking about, like right in here. That's what that feels like, this mesh. And these actually like are pretty thick off the shoe. Like this, I'm sure that they use better technology, but like this feels like this was hot glued on, and like that's, I don't know, it's dope. It just has a half finished vibe that's real cool to look at. And this here, I thought was actually like a harder plastic, but if you see, I can actually like move that because it's not that hard of a plastic, but it's not cheap either. Like this doesn't feel like a cheap shoe. This feels like they use quality materials. And these laces, like okay, I'll get into all of that in my review. Like I said, this is just a unboxing. I'm getting ahead of myself because like I said, I'm seeing them for the first time with you guys. We got that seeing double smiley face again on the back. Man, I love these, and I really feel like it's the most underrated shoe of 2019. I'll get into that more in my review as to why I feel that way. I'll also do the on foot for you guys. These are a woman's 7.5 because I'm a men's or kids 6, so that translates to a woman's 7.5, and that's what these are. So you got the navy pull tabs. I couldn't tell that these were navy in the picture, but that's dope. Like the color, the different colors, and how this shoe is definitely brown. Like this one's green. But again, I'm getting ahead of myself. That'll all be in the review. What else is in here? You get another pair of laces. These are, let me put them to the light. These are brown. These are brown laces, and the ones inside the shoe are black. These are hype. I'm really glad with this. I'm really happy with this pickup, and I'm glad that I was able to get them for what, in my opinion, felt like the low, because the prices were going up there for quite some time. So yeah, that is the Cactus Plant Flea Market Vapormax. I'll be doing a more in-depth review and on foot for both of these shoes. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss that. New videos every week. So you guys can see the label one time. There you go. Yeah guys, so I'm excited for this channel. I'm excited to bring you guys content weekly. I will be uploading one video a week or maybe more. So like these on foots and reviews, I'm gonna try and not make y'all wait a week for them. Subscribe, like, comment, and until next time guys, I'm out. Bye.